In 2022, a 6-year-old girl named Sophie Briggs was admitted to Cedar Park Medical Center in Texas for what should have been a routine appendectomy. What followed was a string of silent failures that ended in her death and the most legally frustrating trial in recent American history. Sophie's mother, Erin Briggs, sued the hospital and the attending physician, citing gross negligence. Her daughter had been given 3 adult doses of morphine in under 20 minutes. She coded and died on the operating table. But during discovery, Erin's lawyer uncovered something far more disturbing. The hospital's medical software had auto-adjusted dosage recommendations based on a calibration error for over 8 months, and no one had fixed it. The defense didn't deny the overdose, they confirmed it, but their legal argument hinged on one word: automation. The prescription system provided by a third-party software vendor had made the dosing suggestions. The surgeon simply followed the numbers. When asked why he didn't notice the child's weight mismatch, he replied, "It was a busy night." The hospital's insurer refused to pay. The software company claimed user error. And the attending nurse, who'd previously flagged the system weeks earlier, was fired mid-trial for breach of loyalty. The judge allowed the corporate lawyers to separate the trial into 3 separate cases, dragging it out for 14 months. Court. Erin played security footage from the hallway outside the OR. She could be seen pacing, crying, asking for updates. No one came out for 52 minutes. "She died before I even knew she was in danger," Erin said. The jury wept. The public did too until the verdict came. The court awarded Erin $6,500, not because she was wrong, but because under Texas malpractice caps and corporate immunity shielding, the software company couldn't be directly sued. The doctor wasn't criminally negligent, and the hospital was operating under accepted clinical standards. Erin's screams in the courtroom, $6,000, were caught on camera and went viral on TikTok. Protests erupted, parents held signs outside the hospital reading, "Am I next?" and "Software doesn't bleed." A congressional hearing was opened and quietly closed 3 months later. Cedar Park Medical Center rebranded the next year and partnered with the same software vendor. Erin moved to New Mexico. She now teaches CPR to schoolchildren. When asked in an interview what justice would have looked like, she said, "Not money. Just for someone to say out loud under oath that they killed my daughter, that never happened." The case of Briggs v. Cedar Park is now infamous in law school ethics classes. It didn't fail because no one was wrong, it failed because everyone was just following the system. And if that system has no face, no soul, no voice, who do you hold responsible when it kills your child? This is Court Spiral. And this time, justice didn't even try to show up.